welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a review on the Sephora Favorites Summer Must-Have Set. If you do want to see a review and a demo, then please keep watching. As a huge favor, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and comment anything down below. I greatly appreciate it. I read all the comments and I'll do my best to reply back. This set retails for $35. I purchased this during the Sephora VIB sale. My Sephora had a ton of these in stock, plus there was a bunch behind the cash wrap. I would highly recommend to check your local Sephora to see if they have any in stock. I do want to read a little bit about this set on Sephora's website. A curated collection for an elevated glam routine featuring must-haves from Anastasia Beverly Hills, Charlotte Tilbury, Grande Cosmetics, Laura Mercier, Natasha Denona, Sol de Janeiro, and Too Faced. Here's a closer look on what the packaging looks like. Up at the top it says Sephora Favorites Summer Must-Haves. This retails for $35, but they claim it's a $109 value. We'll definitely see about that. On the back you have the list of ingredients for each product and where it was made. Let's break into this. Here's a sneak peek of all the items inside. The first product is by Grande Lash. This is their lash enhancing serum. This has a 12-month shelf life and this was made in the USA. You get 0.02 fluid ounces or 0.7 milliliters of product. I will be gifting this product to one of my friends. I don't like lash enhancing serums. I don't like when my lashes get way too long and then it gets stuck in my eye. That's the worst feeling ever. The next item is from Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is called their Brow Freeze Brow Styling Wax. This has a 6-month shelf life. You get 2.5 grams of product or 0.08 ounces, and this was made in the USA. I cannot get this product to open. I think I might have gotten a defective one. I've never tried ABH's Brow Freeze before. Hopefully this packaging doesn't happen to all of them. Maybe it's because the packaging is small. I don't know. I honestly cannot get this open. I've been struggling to get this open for about 5 minutes off camera. Have you guys been having a similar issue? Let me know in the comments down below. The next item is from Too Faced. This is their Lip Injection Maximum Plump. This is their extra strength instant and long-term lip plumper. You get 2.8 grams of product or 0.10 ounces. This was made in the USA and this has a 12-month shelf life. Again, I will be gifting this product to one of my friends. I don't like lip plumpers. I don't like that stinging sensation on my lips. I'm a huge baby, so I cannot handle it. This will fill in all of the lip lines on your lips. Again, I will be gifting this to one of my friends. Next product is by Laura Mercier. This is her translucent loose setting powder. You get 2 grams of product or 0.07 ounces. There's this little flap. Underneath that, it states it has a 12-month shelf life and it was made in the USA. I've tried this loose setting powder in the past. I think I got it for my birthday gift. I lost the lid, but I ended up loving the setting powder. I don't know why I didn't purchase the full size. I remember liking it. Here's what it looks like side by side to what I got from my birthday gift. This is smaller than the birthday gift. Last year's birthday gift, it was 5 grams of product or 0.17 ounces. This set includes 2 grams of product or 0.07 ounces. Let's open this up. Here's what the inside looks like. It comes with a clear safety seal. I'm gonna tap some in the cap. I guess this should be enough. I'm just gonna set my under eyes. I just finished applying foundation and concealer. I did apply a little bit of bronzer. This one is from Pat McGrath. This is in the shade Bronze Nirvana. This is the only powder product I have on my skin. Using my damp beauty blender, taking a little bit of the powder and applying it to my eye. Here's what the powder looks like compared to the other eye. I like it. Taking a little bit more on my beauty blender, doing the same thing on the other eye. Here's what it looks like under both eyes. I like how bright and awake my under eyes look. The next item is by Natasha Denona. This is her Rose Cheek Duo. Here's what the packaging looks like. I'm gonna try not to blind you guys. Hopefully you can see what it says up at the top. And then here's what the back looks like. On the back, it states it's a cream blush and highlighter. That's interesting. I didn't realize that there was a cream blush. This has an 18-month shelf life, and this was made in Italy. You get 4 grams of product or 0.14 ounces. Here's what the mini blush duo looks like. It comes with a mirror. Ooh, this feels nice and soft. Here's what the cream blush looks like. I don't think this will show up on me. Okay. Okay, the highlighter is powder. Interesting. Here's what the highlighter looks like. Wow, that's blinding. The cream blush shade is in warm rose, and the highlighter shade is in light medium. Here's what both of them look like side by side. Let me blend the highlighter, and then I'll blend out the blush. Here's what it looks like blended out. The blush and the highlighter look very pretty. Using my finger, I'm gonna dip into the cream blush. I have a little bit on my fingertip. Here's what the cream blush looks like. I'm not obsessed with this color, but let's apply some to the other cheek. Here's what the cream blush looks like. I lifted up the concealer underneath, but that's totally fine. Let's see what the highlighter looks like. There's a tiny bit of kick up. Here's what the highlighter looks like. I like that it's not too blinding. I'm gonna apply some to the other side. I wish the cream blush was a powder blush. I'm not really into cream blushes, and I don't think that this shade looks flattering on me. I wish Natasha Denona would have added a small flap to cover the cream. I don't want some of the powder highlight to get into the cream blush. That's the only complaint. The next product is by Sol de Janeiro. Up at the top, it states it was made in the USA. You get 0.84 fluid ounces or 25 milliliters of product. And this has a 12-month shelf life. This comes with a safety seal. Oh wow, I don't like the scent. Here's what it looks like. The back of my hand feels nice and soft. The only thing I don't like is the scent. I prefer the original scent. I believe that was a pistachio flavor. I'll pop a picture here so you can see what I'm talking about. On Sephora's website, it states it has a fresh, fruity floral scent with notes of Brazilian jasmine and pink dragon fruit. It's probably why I don't like the smell. I don't like fruity and floral mixed together. The last product is by Charlotte Tilbury. This is called the Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray. On the back, it states it was made in Germany. It has a 12-month shelf life. You get 34 milliliters or 1.1 fluid ounces. It comes with a pump. Let's see how the mist sprays. Oh, nice and fine. I like that. I have the full size. This will lock in your makeup. This feels like hairspray on your face. I'm not sure if they changed the formula, so let's see. I'm gonna give it a good shake. The formula feels different. My skin doesn't feel tightening. I like it. Overall, I don't think this set is worth the hype. It's a great value. If you end up finding this set, that's great, but if not, that's fine too. I wasn't able to open this for the life of me. I still can't open this brow freeze, so this was a flop. As mentioned earlier, I will be gifting both of these items to my friends. I like the Laura Mercier translucent setting powder. I like the way it brightened up underneath my eyes. The mini cheek duo was okay. I wasn't a huge fan of the cream blush shade. The highlighter was okay as well. It's nothing to rave about. I was super impressed by the Charlotte Tilbury setting spray. My face doesn't feel like hairspray, so they did change the formula. I like how my skin is looking. I look a little bit dewy and oily, but I will continue to use this product. If you were to purchase these mini products separately, the Charlotte Tilbury retails for $23, the Cheek Duo retails for $20, and the cream retails for $22. Just these three products alone equals $65. This set retails for $35, depending on if you get it during the sale. I purchased this set for $28 during the Sephora VIB sale, so I definitely think it's worth the price, but again, I don't think it's worth the hype. I have no idea where Sephora comes up with these values. It's definitely not a $109 value. At most, it's $90. Let me know in the comments down below if you plan on purchasing this set. If you guys did enjoy this video, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, please do subscribe. I will see you guys in my next video.